Good morning. Today is Monday. It is November the 9th, 2020, and our I Can for today says, I can use SEP to solve two-step problems. All right, here's number one. Chico has 63 race cars. Malak has 3 times as many cars. How many cars do they have together? All right, this is my S. That's my sentence. I need an equation and a picture to go with this. I'm going to skip the equation for now and do the picture first because the picture almost always helps us make sense. So tell me the two things or the two people being compared. If you said Chico and Malak, you were exactly right. So we need to give them both a box because we're comparing them to each other. It says Chico has 63 race cars. Malak has 3 times as many. So does that mean that Malak has more or Chico has more? Right, that means Malak has more. 3 times as many. So here are Malak's cars, here's Chico's cars. Chico has 63. Chico, do I know what number I can put in his box? 63. Well, if 63 goes in Chico's box, what number goes in all of Malak's boxes? 63, 63, and 63. Holy macaroni, you've got a lot of cars. Now, the next thing I need to figure out is how many cars they have together, because that's what my question's asking. How many cars do they have together? Well, I need to add 63 plus 63 plus 63, or I could use multiplication and do 63 times 3. Let's do it that way. So let's do 63. I'm going to use lattice because it's my favorite. If you prefer. 63 times 3. Corner to corner, fall out. Corner to corner, fall out. What is 3 times 3? 9. What is 3 times 6? 18. Remember to stay in your box, stay in the playground, but slide down your slides. We get 9, 8, 1. 189. That's how many Malak has. But the question said, how many cars do they have together? So really, it may have been smarter to take that 189. Well, I can take 189 and add 63 more, because that would give me Malak's plus Chico's. 9, 10, 11, 12. I can't put 12 down here, so I carry my 1. 8 plus 6 is 14, 15. 1, 2. 252 cars together. Now, I'm sure some of you realized when I got right here, look, I could have done 63, 1, 2, 3, 4, times 4, and that would have given me my answer in one step. So that could have been a good idea, as long as you can be careful. All right, here's number 2. Number 2 says, Fausti has 342 pieces of candy. Holy macaroni, Fausti. Harley has 4 times as much as Fausti. How many more, oh my goodness, that's a signal from before. How many more pieces does Harley have than Fausti? This is my sentence. You can press pause if you need a minute. I know that was lots of writing and it was slightly cut off the page, which was not so helpful. I'm going to come up with an equation and a picture. So the first thing I'm going to think is, who are the two people being compared, or the two things being compared? Are we talking about beads, two different colored beads? No. Am I talking about how far two people can jump? No. I'm talking about two people collecting candy. So we've got a box for Fausti and we've got a box for Harley. Now it says Fausti has 342 pieces of candy. Harley has 4 times as much. Who has more, Fausti or Harley? Harley. So we give Harley 4 boxes. But we know how many pieces Fausti has. Fausti has 342. 342. 342, 342, 342. I might have made my boxes bigger. So let's figure out how many pieces Harley has. To figure out Harley, we're going to have to take and do 342 4 times. So it's 4 times 342. And that will give us Harley's number. So I'm going to take 342, 3 digits, 3 boxes. I'm doing 342 times 4. What is 2 times 4? 8. What is 4 times 4? 16. What is 3 times 4? 12. Remember to stay in the box, stay in your playground, and let's slide down our slides. 8, 6, 3, 1, 3, 6, 8. Decimals at the end, so I count 1, 2, 3, put my comma. 1,368 pieces. Holy cow, that is a lot of candy, Harley. A too fast 4th grader would stop right there and say this was our answer. But let's go back and look at the question. It says, how many more pieces does Harley have than Fausti? I need to take and subtract them now. 1,368 minus 342, and that will tell me how many more Harley has. 8 take away 2 is 6. 6 take away 4 is 2. 3 take away 3 is 0. 1 take away 0 is 1. 1, 2, 3, put my comma. And I know that Harley has 1,026 more pieces than Fausti. And this is my answer. All right, so take your time. They are 2-step problems today. You're going to have to do SEP like we've been practicing, and then you're going to have to do something else. It might be add them together. It might be subtract them, but take your time and do a good job. We'll see you tomorrow.